Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix, and in today's video, we're going to take a flight around New York City. Coming up next. Okay, welcome back to 640 AM The Mix. And it's no secret on this channel that I like to listen to aviation communications between tower to air. So anytime I'm up in the air, I like to grab some footage and then match it up to some tower communications. And that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to fly around New York City and we're going to listen to tower to air. Okay, this was an approach into LaGuardia one night. And as you can see, it's kind of murky, kind of cloudy, kind of clear, kind of a little bit of everything. So it kind of gave a nice kind of ambiance to the landing to LaGuardia. So check it out. Okay, there you have it, an approach into LaGuardia Airport in New York City. It was kind of murky that night, kind of rainy. You could almost even hear the raindrops into the fuselage. In addition, we also injected some tower audio, so I hope you enjoyed it. Comment below, like and subscribe, and don't forget, check the description for the final word here on 640 AM The Mix. Thanks for watching, everyone.